Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install TeamViewer on your Windows tablet. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm just going to look up TeamViewer, and that should bring me to my Google results here, and you can see that the top link here is teamviewer.com. That's the link I want. So if I click on that, this is going to bring up the teamviewer.com homepage, and what I'm going to want to do here is I'm going to want to click download for free, and that's going to bring me to my download page. And my download didn't start right away here, so I'm just going to click direct download. And then I'm going to hit save file here. It's going to save to my download folder. So if I just give this a second and wait till it's downloaded. So if I click on my download folder here, you can see that I have the TeamViewer installer downloaded. And if I double click that to open it, it's going to ask me how I want to proceed. I'm just going to proceed as a default installation, hit accept next, and then I'm just going to go through the installation here. And when that is complete, I'm going to open up my TeamViewer app. So you can see that I have a couple different things going on here. I have allow remote control. So this is what you would tell us if you wanted us to take over your tablet and show you how to do something in Field Genius. And then if you want to take over somebody else's tablet, you'd put it in this control remote computer option here. And that's all for today's video. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. Or you can visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.